off.
All right, so what size bolt is that, Steve, that you're on?
14.
14 millimeter.
Yeah.
So on the belt tensioner.
And you got to make sure we can figure out which way this belt goes. So it goes around the top here, and it goes around this top tensioner, then around the crankshaft. So it's got two little pulleys here that go around here. So we want to make sure we get this straight. So I'm going to remember the top pulley here goes around the tensioner, and then it goes to the crankshaft.
Yeah. Take a picture too before you take it off. So you got a 14 millimeter wrench on
with
the
a
belt.
cheetah 15 millimeter.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, yo.
Yeah, you're going fishing.
Got you. Okay. Go down this way. It goes down around the crankshaft, around the AC pulley, and then up around the AC pulley around this other one, and blah, blah, blah. All right, let's go. Boy, it was a lot easier coming off. They usually are.
Yeah.
So, all right. So we're going to go down. We're going to go around the crankshaft first. Yeah, my mama gave me long arms for a reason, huh?
Nope.
We got to go around the compressor. Try and get underneath that one now. Aha! Okay, and then this one went up around here.
Like that.
And this one went around this pulley here. And around this big pulley here. Okay. You're still around the crankshaft here?
I believe so.
Yeah, looks pretty good. All right, I moved a little, ouch. Moved a little over on that. And then this one goes around here. Like that. Crazy how tight it is. Okay, so we're gonna get our wrenches on now, because see the pulley down, the bottom pulley down there?
Yep.
It's touching that tensioner, I believe, which it shouldn't be. I don't know why it's. Okay, there it goes.
There you go.
Okay. The belts were kind of overlapping, hitting each other. I'm thinking it probably shouldn't do that. All right, it looks good. It's on the crank and everything, so let's get our 14 millimeter wrench on there.
You're going to slide that over that.
Yeah.
Pull you a little bit better. There you go.
So I don't have enough oomph to do this without the cheetah wrench. So I'm going to put this on here. Okay, here we go. Okay. I think we're on.
I think you are.
You know, there's a belt tool out there that, you know, sometimes it's a real long bar and sometimes you don't get enough throw with it. I find that a couple of wrenches a lot of times makes it easier for me. So, all right, we're going to have Joe go crank this thing over and we're going to make sure the belt stays right on line.
There it goes.
Okay, that's where everything looks in line. Now look down at the crankshaft.
Yep.
Yeah, that all looks good. All right, shut it up. Okay. All right.